So after your pH probe has been calibrated, start up Logger Pro and then click on Open. And this is indicated in the procedures, what I'm going to show you right now with the files. Click on Chemistry with Vernier, then scroll down to File 24A. Open that. Once you have that file opened, save it and give it a unique name. I recommend saving it to your Z drive, your student drive. This way, once it's on your Z drive, you can pull it off your Z drive once you've logged into the portal and then email it to me. I just want to point out right now my pH probe is sitting in a buffer solution. So we're not going to see any pH change unlike your solution. You're going to add a 1/2 ml increments of sodium hydroxide to titrate the weak acid. So to start off, you're going to record the pH of the diprotic acid solution without any sodium hydroxide added. How you collect data is as follows. Before you add any sodium hydroxide, let this pH stabilize in the oxalic acid solution, and then click Collect, and then Keep. And at this point, you're going to type in 0. No sodium hydroxide was added, like 0 mils. And you'll get a record of that up here. Then you'll proceed and you'll add a 1/2 ml of sodium hydroxide to the weak acid solution. Let the pH stabilize. Don't press stop. Click Keep, and then enter 0.5 mils, and that gets recorded here on the table. Add another 0.5 mils of sodium hydroxide, and then click Keep, and now you have a total of 1. And if you lose track of how much you've added, just simply look up at the table. And then continue this until the pH plateaus up around 11 or 12. To 1.5. Save the file and share that and send it to me via email.